Okay, so it's been a minute since y'all seen this face beat like this. No, I'm just saying it's been a minute. So okay, I guess the exciting news that I want to tell you guys is, wait for it. Pause. Wait for it. We moved. Yay! So we moved in a bigger house. Now it's a pretty nice size house. I love my house. We went from a 3-bedroom, 2-bath to a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, and it's still pretty spacious. And I may do a house tour. I mean, I am about to go in the house, but all you're gonna see is a bunch of junk everywhere because you know when you moving and stuff, ain't nothing ever just perfect. So everything gonna be everywhere. So that's how it is here. Yes. So I got boxes everywhere. I'm still unloading. We just came from church, and I tried to come out to this car and get my coffee and stuff out the car. Man, it's hot out here. It's so hot, y'all. We gonna have a hot summer. This I trust and believe. I don't think I'm gonna be able to do all this makeup. Which, by the way, this makeup is by Super Stay. It's Maybelline Super Stay, y'all. I hail this makeup, okay? All hail Maybelline. Yes, I put this makeup on today, and the way it covered my face earlier today, and this is from like coming from church. We left church and then left lunch, but coming from church, I've had it on since, let me see, we got up at 7 o'clock in the morning. I had it on since then, y'all. When I say it covered all my blemishes and it's still holding strong, I had a few greasy spots, but not as bad as if I'm wearing MAC Cosmetics. I'm trying not to put my hand in the camera face, but not as bad as my MAC Cosmetics because it like right now, my baby actually scratched me over there, so that's the reason why a little bit of my makeup is gone from there. But yeah, it's like, y'all, got your girl looking all glossy and, you know, flawless and stuff. Yeah. Okay, so my hair is still cut and still platinum. I am going to get a haircut Tuesday, and that's going to be a baseball's because I can't wait. Lord knows I need one. I'm still going to tell y'all my barbershop store once I get everything situated. Yes, there we go. My juices, my coffee back there, and y'all, it's so hard I don't even feel like reaching back there to get it. But yes, y'all, we moved, and you see neighbor's house and stuff. But yeah, bits and pieces of our house. I'm so excited. Like, I'm still unpacking. It's gonna take a couple of days for, let me put this on this way. It's gonna take a couple of days for us to unpack, to really unpack and wind down and get the house looking presentable and nice. But until then, you know, it's kind of chaotic. But the girls love it. They walked in the house. Julie, the first thing she says, "Oh my goodness, look in my room," because it's bigger than the other one. And Olivia said, "This my room?" I said, "Yeah, baby, this your room." They're happy. I'm extremely happy. So let me walk up in here where it's some air because it's hot as Methuselah out here, okay? My baby talking about Google Walker because she think my speaker is Google. But yeah, I'm walking in my kitchen. I'm not gonna do a full like reveal until everything looks decent. But as you can tell, everything, boxes everywhere. Monstrosity of a mess. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn this way. Nope, gotta stay in some light. But yeah, y'all, let me go over here by the window. I'm so happy. Yes, but Olivia's down for her nap. Malia's in the room with Daddy and Julia. But yeah, y'all gonna see boxes and stuff back there in my kitchen. I'm sitting in a dining area. It's bigger than it looks on camera. But you guys, I'm so happy. I didn't tell y'all the news because I didn't want to jinx nothing. You know how you don't want to jinx anything? You want everything to work out for the best. So I had to hold my tongue so much. I haven't even told like family, except for my grandma and my sister and my aunt. That's about it. But nobody else knew. But you know how you don't want to tell people and you don't want to jinx it. You want everything to go good. So, and that's exactly what happened. I got the dolly back there to go get more boxes out the thing. But yeah, I didn't want to expose everything, so I didn't. So now here you get to see it firsthand. Now you ain't gonna get to see the whole detailing of the house. You know what? And I might enter a video here. Where you guys can see me doing a tour of the house empty. Now I may do a tour of the house with furniture in once I get my decor up. But that's what I want to do. I want to decorate the house first before I actually show y'all the, you know, the reveal of the house then. But I don't know how I'm gonna do that because I'm talking about doing mommy vlogs, so y'all might just see the house even at its worst. But yes, y'all, we were blessed with a bigger house, and we have to build a fence now because we have no fence. So we gotta get somebody out here to build a fence for our dogs because we have a German Shepherd and a small, what is she? She's a Pomeranian mix. So gotta get a fence up for them. And yeah, I'm so excited. I'm so happy, y'all. There go Julia. Hi, Julia.
Hi.
Say hi. Come here, baby.
Hi.
Are you excited?
What?
What's that? Let me see. What is this? That's cute. I don't know what it is. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi, family.
Bye bye.
But if my lips gone, it's because of the food we ate. But y'all, this makeup is, it's the bomb. It's the, like I said, Maybelline Super Stay. It is the bomb, okay? I got color 355 in my regular shade, and it does match, semi-match. It like semi-matches my neck, but my neck is still lighter than my hands and my face. So I'm still trying to find my shade, but y'all, it still look cute like this. But this makeup is phenomenal. All you gotta do is like a couple of blots. Like it looks shiny right here on camera, but it's not. So it's a really good foundation, y'all. If y'all looking for a good drugstore foundation, Maybelline Super Stay is a great foundation. Just find it in your shade. It's better than MAC because every time I take that crap off, I'm breaking out all over my face. And then the shades are just too dark, too dark. So yeah, this is our home. And like I said, I'm gonna put a little clip in here for y'all just to do like a little tour as I'm talking. And you guys are gonna see a little tour of the house. Now on here, it looks small because of the angle of the cameras, you know, the dimensions. I wish I had a better camera, but I'm using my phone, so whatever. But you're gonna see it. And it's just a nice size home for our growing family. I'm so excited. So I'm glad to share that news with y'all because I was holding it back for so freaking long, and it's hard holding back secrets from everybody. It really is. But I noticed that everybody has a new venture, and more blessings to you. May the Lord just continue to shine down those many blessings upon all of you. And happy Sunday. I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully it'll be a mom vlog or the review on the color stay, the super stay. Who knows? But I'll see you guys then. Bye.